Creating and managing artists.
One of the information retrieved from the track when it is uploaded is the artist. When a track from a certain artist is added to the cloud for the first time, the artist is defined and automatically saved. It will be used internally to index all the tracks associated with it. The artist will be provided by ID3 tag or by the file name, using the format artist title. If the name of the file format is different from artist title and no artist is specified by tags, the track will be assigned to unknown artist. Inonda allows you to manually create an artist or modify an existing one. Click Edit, Define, Artist in the top toolbar. The Artist window shows all the artists in the cloud. If there are no artists, the list will be completely empty. Click the Add button. Enter a name for the new artist and specify the value for max plays per day. Then click OK. The Artists window allows you to modify or remove artists from the cloud at any time. To do this, use the two buttons on the left side of the artist name. To change the artist of a track, locate the track in the Media section and open the Editing window. In the Song Info tab, use the Artist menu to select the new artist. Confirm by clicking OK. To change the artist of more track, select all the tracks in the Media section using Ctrl or Shift from keyboard and click Actions, Properties. In the Song Info tab, enable the Artist menu and select the new artist. Confirm by clicking Apply. If you delete an artist, all the associated tracks are automatically assigned to the artist unknown.
Creating and managing genres.
The genre is used to place and sort tracks loaded into Inonda, to facilitate research and to better organize the library. When a track is added to the cloud, it is automatically inserted in the undefined genre, but you can choose another genre from the existing ones or create your own genre. Besides undefined, Inonda contains predefined genres that you can use to sort your audio material. To see them or create a new genre, click Edit, Define Genres in the top bar. Click the Add button. Enter a name for the new genre and specify a color. Then click OK. The Genres window allows you to edit or remove genres from the cloud at any time, except for predefined ones. To do this, use the two buttons on the left side of the genre name. To change the genre of a track, locate the track in the Media section and open the editing window. In the Song Info tab, use the Genre menu to select the new genre. Confirm by clicking OK. To change the genre of more track, select all the tracks in the Media section using Ctrl or Shift from keyboard and click Actions, Properties. In the Song Info tab, enable the Genre menu and select the new genre. Confirm by clicking Apply. Genres are shown in the Media section. Choose Genres from the right filter. The bottom array on the right shows the genres with the chosen name and color. By clicking on a genre, only its linked tracks are shown. The bottom array will show genres that contain at least one track. Empty genres are hidden. If a genre is already displayed in the Media section, tracks from other genres can be moved directly with drag and drop. Locate the tracks, hold and drag them to the matching genre button. In the case of modifications to the genres or their contents, use the refresh button in the lower part of the bottom array to refresh the view. If you delete a genre, all its associated tracks are automatically assigned to the genre undefined.
Creating and managing categories.
When tracks are placed in genres, they have not been yet programmed to being aired in automatic mode. You need to insert them in categories. Categories can contain tracks from different genres and serve to build clocks from the radio automation. Despite the genre is unique, each track can be inserted in multiple categories at the same time. To see them or create a new category, click Edit, Define Categories in the top toolbar. The Categories window shows all the previously added categories in the cloud. If the user has not created any category yet, the window is empty. Click the Add button, enter a name for the new category and specify a color. Choose an option for Sort at midnight to define the order to maintain for the tracks in the category. Order determines in which order the tracks are analyzed during the on-air rules verification. If rules will be satisfied, the track will be chosen for the airing and queued in playlist. At midnight, the tracks of the category can be ordered using one of these three criteria. None, sorted always from the first to the last track inserted. Shuffle, sorted randomly. And on-air, ASC, sorted by last on-air date. If you don't want to use rules for a category, example a jingle category, enable the Excluded from Rules options. The Categories window allows you to edit or remove genres from the cloud at any time. To do this, use the two buttons on the left side of the category name. To change the categories of a track, locate the track in the Media section and open the editing window. In the Automation tab, use the Categories menu to select one or more categories. Confirm by clicking OK. To change the categories of more tracks, select all the tracks in the Media section using CTRL or Shift from keyboard and click Actions, Property. In the Automation tab, enable the Categories menu and select one or more categories. Confirm by clicking Apply. Categories are shown in the Media section. Choose Categories from the right filter. The bottom array on the right shows the categories with the chosen name and color. By clicking on a category, only its linked tracks are shown. Tracks from other categories can be moved or copied directly with drag and drop. Locate the tracks, hold and drag them to the matching category button. You can copy the track and maintain it in both the categories or move the track from one category to another. In case of modifications to the categories or their contents, use the refresh button in the lower part of the bottom array to refresh the view.
Creating and managing clocks.
A clock is a rotation of more categories. To air tracks in automatic mode, you must define at least one clock. Inonda will choose tracks from the categories contained in the activated clock. When the clock reaches the end of the rotation of categories, it starts again from the beginning, always selecting different tracks and matching the on-air rules. To create a new clock, click Edit, then Define, then Clock in the top toolbar. The Clocks window shows all the previous added clocks in the cloud. If the user has not created any clock yet, the window is empty. Click the Add button, enter a name for the new clock and drag categories from the right panel to the left. Arrange categories in the left panel and click OK. The clock window allows you to edit or remove clocks from the cloud at any time. To do this, use the two buttons on the left side of the clock name. Clocks are shown in the Live section, used for hearing control. Before activating the automatic mode, you must select a clock from the clock menu at the bottom.